8 to 9 a.m. May Bandon.
Master Facial Cleanser.
Kreto ng mga gwapo.
And the home of New Ride.
Alam mo, meron akong pangarap sa buhay. Sana, matupad na.
Ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking lamang.
Hihingan na ako.
Ito nang gabing di malilimutan. Dahan-dahan tayo nagtinginan. Parang atin ang gabi, para bang wala tayong katabi. At tayo'y sumayaw na parang di na tayo bibitaw.
Romance kami nito eh.
Kumado tayo ng brief eh, no? Ang babastos.
Ay, wala siya to ah.
Hindi na kami.
Isang waki dito, isang waki. Lean forward lahat sa waki.
When I was in college, I used to just watch same-day edits with my college besties, and we would cry hoping that one day it will also happen to us. And finally today, I'm at the exact moment I've always prayed before. I'm getting married to the love of my life.
Hi, babe. Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Sana masaya ka. Kasi I feel fulfilled whenever I made you happy. Because you deserve to be happy. If you remember, before, every time na inahatid kita sa bahay nyo, after natin mamasyal or mag-date, before ako umuwi ng bahay namin, lagi mong binubulong sa akin, babe, dito ka na umuwi.
Few years back, my family immigrated to the United States. I was so heartbroken, praying and asking God why it had to happen, why was I left alone. But I know that God was saying that He has other plans for me. And then, I met you. We met in the strangest way, with no mutual friends. A friend request just popped in my Facebook account one fine day at school. I don't accept friend requests from strangers, pero hindi ko alam bakit at that moment in-accept ko. Basta sabi ko lang sa sarili ko, uy, cute.
With a sad face and teary eyes, ang lagi kong sagot sa'yo, someday, babe. Or minsan, in God's perfect time. And today is that God's perfect time. Starting today, I can finally say, yes, babe, I'm home.
Naika, as you show and express your love for Vince, Vince will be able to say, hindi lang pala si Naika ang nagmamahal sa akin. Through your love, he will be able to say, mahal na mahal din pala ako ng Diyos.
nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. Dahil alam kong ito yung purpose ko sa mundo, yung may makasama ka. Kasamang mag-celebrate sa bawat okasyon na dati ika'y nag-iisa. Kasamang harapin ng bawat pagsubok na dati ay nahihirapan ka. Kasamang kumain sa hapagkainan na dati wala kang gana kapag nag-iisa ka. Kasamang umiyak tuwing nalulungkot ka, kasamang tumawa tuwing masaya ka, at kasamang harapin ng bawat bukas.
Our relationship was not easy, ang daming crossroads, especially when I had to choose between you and my other dreams. You were telling me before that I should follow my dreams even if it means we will break up. But I know in my heart that our relationship is worth fighting for. I want you to know na standing here with you today is one of my best decisions.
Proud din ako sa'yo kasi marunong ka may pag-usap sa mga dos. Pero kidding aside, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. You are beautiful, strong, and independent woman na lagi ko namang sinasabi sa'yo. But please know that I've always got your back. I promise to love you. I promise to protect you. Promise to protect our family until my last breath. I love you so much, my wife.
I realized that my ultimate dream really is to be happy. Kahit saan man yan, sa Pilipinas man, kahit saan. Masaya ako na ikaw yung kasama ko. Never man ako nananalo sa mga paraffle sa Christmas parties, but now I can finally say, I have won the raffle. I love you.